Okay, here is a fun geometry problem that one of our students, I think Major, he was asking this question in one of our WhatsApp groups. The problem says that we have a triangle ABC. AB is given to be 15, BC is given to be 12, and EC is given to be 13. And what we have to show is we draw the median of triangle of ABC, the A to BC, that is AB. And if we draw the angle bisector, BA, and if we draw the perpendicular, so let's draw the perpendicular CF. So in this picture, AD, BE and CF do not pass through the same point, but the question says that we have to show that they do pass through the same point. So claim is AD, BE, CF passes through the same point. So how can we prove this fact? Also, it is known, it's given that AD is median. AD is median. So this is 6 and this is 6 because the total length is 12, right? AD is median. BE is angle bisector. So if you use the angle bisector theorem, you know that CE over EA, CE over EA is equal to BC over BA. This is just the angle bisector theorem, that if B is the angle bisector, then CE over EA is equal to BC over BA, which is simply 12 by 15, right? And of course, BC over CD, BC over CD or DC is 6 over 6. That's 1. And finally, I would compute AF over FB. AF over FB, because ultimately I would like to use the Menelaus theorem. Shiva's theorem. So how do we calculate this? So let's suppose that this is x and this is then 15 minus x, right? Because the total length is 15. So if this is x, then this is 15 minus x. So what do we know? We know that CF square, we will use Pythagoras theorem, CF square is equal to CS square minus AF square, right? CS square minus AF square. CS square minus AF square. So that's 13 square minus x square. But CF square is also equal to CD square minus BF square. CD square minus BF square. So CD square is 12 square minus 15 minus x whole square. 12 square minus 15 minus x whole square. Okay, so these two quantities are then both equal to CF square. So they are equal and I can solve for x. So let's do that. 13 square minus x square equals to 144. That's 12 square minus 225 minus x square plus 30x. I just expanded this. I'll cancel off negative x square, negative x square. So what do I have? I have 169 plus 225 minus 144 equal to 30x. And this is 250, I think. So this is 250 by 30x. 30 is x. So x is equals to 25 over 3. So this quantity here is 25 over 3, and this part is 15 minus 25 by 3, which is 45 minus 25 by 3, which is 20 by 3. Okay, so AF by FB turns out to be 25 by 3 divided by 20 by 3, which is 25 by 20. Okay, now we have all of these three quantities, CA, BC, BC over CD, AF over FB. And you can check that if you, or I can do it here maybe, if I do BD over DC times CE over EA times AF over FB, this turns out to be 6 over 6 times C over EA is 12 by 15 times this is 25 by 20. So 6 over 6 cancels off, and 1 5, this gives you 4, 5, 5, 5 cancels off, 3 and 4 cancels off to give you a 12. So this is 1. So then this product is 1. So by Shiva's theorem, by converse of Shiva's theorem actually, we are done. There you go. It's a fun problem. It's not very hard. You just have to do some calculations.